Today we'll talk about how can you use wallet. So in the first you just go down, click on here on down. So when you click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this here. Here can you find your networks here. We'll find all networks and here can you add it. Just click on it and here add network name and URL that chain ID and symbol here that block explorer. Then here add network. So we will go back now. Then here will manage security here for your app. So here if you want to lock methods and here can you enable opening the app. Can you here manage your security here? When you go down here you will find here display, just click on it. So then here you will manage appearance, then here change language, and here local currency. Then here if you want to enable or disable privacy mode or hit small balances or testnets. So in here stick tabs, can you manage it here? So then we will go back here and here you connect to Coinbase. Here just click on it here. Then here can you pay or transfer with Coinbase here in the when you click on this sign if you have crypto. So then here can you manage your notifications if you want to enable it or disable it here. So then we will go back here. Then here can you sign out. When you just click on it, it's going to take you out of your account. When you click on this sign here, so then here can you add crypto to your wallet, just click on it. Here can you receive your crypto. When you click on it, can you receive it here? So then here can you transfer from Coinbase, just click on it to take you to transfer it here in this list. So then we will go back here and here can you when you just click on it, here can you here add price here or add crypto here in this list. So then when you click on this sign you will find here all cryptos here in this list. So in home can you find here your home here, just click on it. So then here you will find your price you have. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.